Hi, I'm Scott Dalgleish at Phase 4 Engineering. Today we're going to do a demonstration showing that the LEAP wireless sensor system can indeed be up and running in less than 5 minutes. We understand your time is valuable and you're busy. That's why we pre-configure the LEAP system here at the Phase 4 factory so it's up and running right out of the box. All right, our LEAP sensor system has arrived. We'll unpack it and get it running. The LEAP sensor system first comes with receiver instructions that give instructions out to your receiving clerk to make sure that the system, all the different components are received properly, including things like software. And then we have our password sheet and our quick start guide, plus a user manual that's inside. We'll use that once we get started. All right, let's get started. So in our LEAP box, we have our gateway, and that's what we want to get started first, so that because it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for it to power up. So I'm going to take the gateway, attach the antenna, and then get it powered up. Now this is an Ethernet gateway, so it has one antenna. The cellular system will have 2. So I've got the antenna attached. And now I will find the power transformer for the gateway, which is in this bag. Again, this is the longest lead time item. I'm going to plug in the power to the gateway and then into a wall outlet, and we'll give the gateway about 3 minutes to power up. While that's starting, I'm going to unpack my sensor nodes. And we have a motor monitor, and we have a wireless pressure transducer. So for those, I'm going to attach the sensors. Now the LEAP sensors typically come with a standard M8 connector that can attach just by simply screwing it in. I'm going to install that. Screw it in. And then also in the box is an Ethernet cable and a USB cable if we need that. Our motor monitor also has come with a amp clamp or a current transformer. I'm going to attach that to the node. And all of these connectors have different keys and have different number of pins. So you won't be able to install them in the wrong place. While we're waiting for our gateway to power up, we'll now log into the software. This particular system came with cloud-based software, so I'm going to go to leapsensormanager.com. That will bring me to a login screen. I'll use the password and the username on the sheet. Now I'm in. Now before I power up my sensors, I will connect my gateway to the local area network with the Ethernet cable. I'm going to plug that in and then make sure that the LEDs are blinking next to the Ethernet cable connector. If this was a cellular gateway, you wouldn't obviously have to connect that cable. Now it's time to do the final step. I've got my pressure sensor and my motor monitor. I'm going to turn on the switch, and the LEAP system has this really great feature where it has these LEDs next to the power switch, and they will tell you if it's connected to the gateway and to the software. And the blinking sequence is described on your quick start guide if you want more information. But I'm going to wait until I get 3 green blinks. 1, 2, 3. Now I know that the sensor's connected. I can now go to my software. I can look at the date last communicated. My pressure sensor is 6:15:23 at 11:15 a.m. I look at my clock down here, 6:15 at 11:15 a.m. My sensors are transmitting. So we have installed the LEAP system in less than 5 minutes and it's ready to mount and go right out of the box.